Hi, welcome to KimchiTech English. Learning English through TV series and movies is pretty awesome for a few reasons. You get to hear how people actually talk, including slang and natural expressions. It's a great way to learn about culture and customs from English-speaking countries. It's a lot more entertaining than boring textbooks, so you stay interested and motivated. So if you want to learn English, this video is perfect for you.
A dime a dozen. Definition: very common and not valuable. Low-paying jobs are a dime a dozen in the city center.
That's a lovely scarf you're wearing. Where did you get it?
They're a dime a dozen.
Well, don't worry about it, son. Those things are a dime a dozen.
Those guys are a dime a dozen.
Good! Leave! I don't need you to help me solve my problems. You know what? You're a dime a dozen. I can't tell which one's Marty.
Guys like us, we are a dime a dozen.
In the same boat. Definition: to be in the same difficult situation as someone else. We're all in the same boat. We should help each other.
You and we're in the same boat.
And I got a wife, I got a kid on the way, I got a new job.
I'm in the same boat.
I thought we were in the same boat. I made a choice to end that relationship. We're not in the same boat.
I am the captain, but we're all in the same boat. Teamwork.
I'm in the same boat as you, Raymond.
Not rocket science. Definition: it's used to say that something is not difficult to do or understand. You can learn how to drive a car. It's not rocket science.
That's it? No advice?
What advice? Call her, apologize. It's not rocket science. Man.
Not because I do it all the time, I'm just saying it's not rocket science.
I mean, fixing your hair is not exactly rocket science, unless you've only got one arm.
Barb, it's not rocket science. You just tell your parents you're going to stay at my place afterwards.
Miss the boat. Definition: to lose an opportunity by not taking action quickly enough. He missed the boat when he didn't apply for the job in time.
Danielle, we all know you have a problem with commitment. Don't miss the boat on this one like you did with Tyler.
So I maybe kind of missed the boat a little bit on calling you shrimp.
The one who really missed the boat in London was me.
That's all I need to know.
Well, you really missed the boat, didn't you, Prentice?
Come in handy. Definition: to be useful in a particular situation. These boxes will come in handy when we move house.
You never know, it might come in handy one day.
See, now I would date this girl. She's cute. She's outdoorsy. You know, and she knows how to build a fire. I mean, that's got to come in handy.
What is it?
Something that might come in handy.
I could see how his unique skills could really come in handy to an intelligent guy, huh?
I knew those scrapbooks were going to come in handy.
Speak of the devil. Definition: it's said when someone you have just been talking about appears unexpectedly. Speak of the devil. We were just talking about you.
Speak of the devil. Here he is.
I think that's extraordinary. Congratulations.
Oh, speak of the devil.
It's over, Sonny. It's too late.
There he is. Speak of the devil.
Oh, speak of the devil.
That's what makes him so invaluable. Speak of the devil.
Speak of the devil.
Speak
Speak of the devil.
Easy does it. Definition: it's used to tell someone to do something slowly and carefully. Easy does it. It's very fragile.
Oh, be careful, be careful, be careful.
Easy does it, everyone. Nobody even take a breath.
Okay, Dave. Easy does it.
Easy does it there.
Easy does it, lady. We're moving, okay?
All right. All right. Easy does it. Nice and slow.
Easy does it till we find a place, all right?